Here are a few pointers. Get it? Few pointers. For instructors, remember you need to be proactive. It's always better to think about how to prevent something than it is to try and fix it after it happens. Be as low tech as you can. If a student is struggling with technology, maybe a Zoom meeting isn't what they need and it will make them more nervous. Maybe just a regular phone call will help. Be authentic in your interactions. Be human, be real. Let your students see some of yourself and get to know you. Hold office hours. And if the office hours don't work for students, make sure that they know that they can access you at times that do work well for both of you. Be flexible, but don't be too flexible. So think about what your students' needs are, but make sure you're not enabling them to continue to do things that are making them struggle even more. And also make sure that you follow whatever your university's guidelines for things like late assignments and things like that. And then remember, turn to experts on your campus. Just like your students aren't alone and you're there to support them, there are people at your university that can support you too.